Here I've got STANLEY S241 and let me show you how to add screen lock, how to add screen protection on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select security and then go to screen lock. And it's time to select the way of unlocking the device as you want to have, so it can be swipe, voice unlock, pattern, pin or the password. I will pick pattern. So now it's time to draw the pattern. In my case it will be L letter, then click on continue. Draw it one more time to confirm and click on confirm. Then decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like hide sensitive notification or if you won't see notification at all. I will pick the second option and then click on done. And that's basically all. As you can see, from now on you will not be able to unlock your device without this screen lock, without this pattern. So that's basically all. This is how you can protect your STANLEY. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.